Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I wanted to share some of my skills, I guess, that I just learned. Oops. So, Miss Shara Crane on YouTube and Instagram, she shared her wire wrap beads with everybody this beginning of March, I believe it was, something like that. Anyway, she shared her pretty beads, right? And then Buzzing with V, showed us how to wrap it, which is pretty amazing because she is so patient and so precise. It just made it so easy to go ahead and want to give it a shot, right? So I gave it a shot, and girls, my hands are red from holding these pliers. I didn't realize how tiny and how hard you have to grip. Well, if you don't have the right tools, how hard you have to grip your pliers to get the wire, wrapped real pretty. So basically, I'm just here to share what I have accomplished. Ugh. And it's not the prettiest, but this is what I did. So some of the beads that we got from Hobby Lobby are like gigantic holes for my pins that I have. So if you see this, and then here's the head pin. There's a flat tip on here. I don't know, I'm trying to get the camera to focus on this. Anyway, it looks like a tiny nail head, all right? If you put this through your bead, like V has showed us, it will just slide right through. It's not gonna stop the pin. So you have to use like a seed bead, or what I used on some of mine were bead caps. So this one right here, this is a bead cap. So I use it on both ends, and it stops the head pin from going all the way through, okay? So that's what I did. I used that, or I used, these are from Dollar Tree. They come in those little packs with the colors. So I have this color and these colors here. All right. So that's what I did. And they came out really pretty. So I had silver and gold head pins, or eye pins. So this one is a head pin. Oh, I hope you guys can see. And this one is a eye pin. You can see it looks like there's a hole on a loop on the end. And then the other end is just open, so you could feed your beads through it. All right. So this is a Hobby Lobby bead, and like I said, the holes in the bead are very large. So I used a tiny bead from my Dollar Tree seed beads. I used one here and one at the top, because when you wrap the wire, even if you wrap the wire, it could still pass through the bead, because that's how wide the opening is. And I'm just crimping down the wire where I cut it, because I just felt it. There you go. The other thing is I discovered I need a magnifying glass because I can't see. But anyway, I made this little bead. I love that. And that's what it looks like with the little seed beads on there. Just blends right in. This one, the Hobby Lobby bead, I used these little tiny like flower beads I hauled a while ago. This is also from Hobby Lobby. And I purchased them on a sale. They had a half-off sale on this certain brand. And I just put the eye, what is it called? Anyway, the one with the loop on one of them. So it has two loops on this one. And then this one I just used the flathead pin or something. Excuse the terminology because I don't know it. Anyway, and then here's another Hobby Lobby bead, and I used the bead cap. See right there? And that has just one loop, and the wire wrapping here, I think by the time I got to this bead, I was getting a little better. So it gets easier the more you do it. And no, I'm not going to demonstrate it because V did an excellent tutorial on how to wrap these wires. Some of my eyelets, or I don't know what to call these things. Some of my loops are a little bigger, the top. See, when you feed your rings through. So here I used a seed bead on the end of this one. See right here? That's a seed bead. So it helps with the holding it on to the pin. Now, I wanted to share these because this is gorgeous. These little beads I found in the bead aisle, but on the children's bead section where they have the pony beads and stuff. So that is where I found these, and it was at Hobby Lobby. I use tiny seed beads at the bottom to hold it in, to hold my pin in. You don't have to, because this one, I didn't put it on this one, and I just let the eye pin right there, it holds it in. You see that right there? So I didn't put a seed bead on that one, and it still looks cute. I put a seed bead on this one and no eye pin. It's just the flathead. See that? Just like that. I love it. But I did put a seed bead at the top. I don't know, you can see that right there, right at the top. Okay, so that is what I did with the star beads. I love those. These are the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree had these beads in their craft section for a little bit. I haven't seen it again, but these are the tiny flat circular beads, and then the regular round beads. And I used the bead caps on this one. I have smaller bead caps. See that at the end? It's just so pretty. And this one I used a seed bead. There, 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 and there. You see? And it worked out pretty cute. All right. And now this, in the Hobby Lobby section, where I found my large star beads, it's in the bead aisle, guys, but if you're looking at those, I don't know if all the Hobby Lobbies are the same, but in the bead aisle, there is a wall on one side with the beads for like the jewelry people, and then on the other side of the aisle, you can see they have the kids' beads. This is where I found these little tiny, tiny beads. And I just wire wrapped each one with the eye pin. Okay? So some of them have silver and some of them have gold, mainly because the bead itself has some silver and gold details. Here's a star. The stars mostly have silver, and the floral, mostly have gold. It's dropping everything. But that's what I've got for you there. Okay. All right, so the last thing I wanted to share was I was experimenting with some of the beads. Here's a tube bead. Here's a like faceted bead. And yeah, I had to use seed beads on this one also because it would just go right through the bead. So I used my little seed beads on this one. on the top and the bottom. And then I just used some little faceted beads that I got from a kit that I bought from I think it was Cat Paper Love or Pretty Paper Things. Pretty Paper Things. She had put a Christmas kit together, and these beads were part of that kit. And then this is just some of the beads from the Dollar Tree, the little container right here. So I put some of them on there, and see, they look so cute. They become a different bead. So just experimenting with some of them. I still want to make some of these, wire wrap some of these. And I have more beads from Dollar Tree and Walmart. So I want to get some more done probably today. And then I also want to try to do these pom-poms. So these are from Walmart, majority of these. So this is from Walmart. It has this purple star. Got a purple like cube style. And then you have, oh, where did it go? Tiny little purple round ones like that. I think these are super cute. So I'm going to play with my beads some more, wrap up some more. This came from that kit that I was talking about. These also came from that kit, and I'm going to wrap a little bit more just so I can have a variety to choose from. These are all from Walmart. This is a glass bead. Then you got those. These are the they sell like those little Ziplocs at Walmart with the 98-cent little baggies. That's what I bought those from. Those were where I got them. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on my next video. I hope you guys give it a try, and thanks to V and Shara for sharing these wonderful beading techniques, because these will be looking really cute on the tassels and dangles and stuff like that, even on the Memory Dex cards. So I'll check you guys out later. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video, please, guys. Love you. Bye.